If you are new to affiliate marketing, you've never started it, but you're curious about it, or if you've tried but you haven't been successful, I have something for you. So I found a creator and he has made over $3.7 million with affiliate marketing. And he created a software that automates affiliate marketing for you with well-known, good products, and there's no guesswork. It's straightforward and it's amazing. Let me show you what it is. So this is the guy, his name is Jonathan Montoya, and this is his dad. His dad got his first high ticket sale in just 2 weeks of starting this high ticket affiliate marketing. I'm going to go ahead and just show you a couple of the benefits to this. I ended up getting this software and I'm also going to give you a peek at what's inside. So the beautiful thing is you can promote multiple products in just a few seconds. You don't need to set anything up with tech. You don't need to build a funnel or create a YouTube channel or YouTube reviews. The reason why this is good for beginners is because it takes years to learn how to create funnels, create good ad copy, create copy that converts, have funnels that convert, even down to colors. Like some colors are more popular for converting than others. And this guy obviously is a millionaire. He's already made millions of dollars doing this. So his ads, his funnels, everything that he does is already converting. So that's one of the beautiful things, is that he's letting you use that and you get the credit for it. Side note, does anyone else do this in the winter or around Christmas? I have all of my TVs and stuff just on a fireplace. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the software. The beautiful thing about this software is it takes the place of ClickFunnels or any funnel software that you have, email marketing, and there's so much more. Let me show you. You can hook up your social media, and this allows you to have all of the conversations in your social media in one place. So right now I don't have any unread messages, but if someone messaged me on Instagram or Facebook, it would show up here and I'd be able to respond right in the software. The calendars tab lets you sync like your Calendly, or you can create a calendar that syncs up there. So you can either create a new one or you can update existing and sync existing calendars. Obviously a payment portal. You can even create affiliates for a program that you create, which would be way down the road if you're new to this. But let me go ahead and show you what you're actually given in addition to just general software that replaces so many other subscriptions. So I'm just going to click on the Funnel Freedom tab. Okay, so the first thing that's really cool is you get to update your social media links. So this system has pre-made emails and YouTube channels where people can go and get value, but it also sends people to your YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, all of that. So it's promoting your own social media channels as well. And then the magic. It walks you through how to sign up for all of the affiliate programs that it automatically promotes. And then you just copy and paste all of your affiliate links into the section that he provides for you. There's step-by-step videos and step-by-step instructions showing you how to do all this. And literally, that's the hardest part. He has an affiliate portal for you and resources with ads that are already converting. He has pre-written emails for you as an affiliate as well, even though the course already has 365 days worth of emails. And ads that are already converting. They add and take away based on what's working that you can upload and run for yourself, which is insane. There's a Facebook group where he adds and runs support. He has trainings to help you with whatever you need. And he has tutorials. Overall, I think this is going to change the game for affiliate marketing. And you can either say course, and I will send you a link to the course that's free that gets you started. Or you can say software, and I will send you a link to get 2 free weeks of his software that you can try out. Any more questions, go ahead and put in the comments below.